And bonjour. This is Bruno and Sweta, our Onco podcast. We're going to talk about one of the LARVOL product, which is called Conf, which is a conference planner solution. We think it's not only the best, but the number one in its niche, important niche of conference planner to prepare for a medical conference, especially in oncology. And Shweta is going to go through an example very important right now because there's a upcoming conference here in San Francisco called ASCO GI in the GI field. And I'm going to be there, by the way. So if you're going to be at ASCO GI, let us know and let's say hello. We're going to give you a bit of a walk through our conf solution, taking the example of ASCO GI. So, Shweta, welcome to the podcast.
Hi, Bruno. Hi, everybody. Yeah. So today I'm planning to demonstrate our conference planning tool, that is LARVOL Conf, which is a conference-based subscription, and it provides unlimited team access.
And just before you do that, I want to say a couple of quick things. Number one, that you, with your colleague, but under your leadership, have built this product over several years, and I'm very impressed with what you've built. I think it's a terrific product, and we received. We're not the kind of bragging, we're not the bragging kind usually, but we receive comments like some people said, "Oh, I moved from one company to the other, but what's common is the fact that each time I either have or a request to be able to use a LARVOL planner." And so I think we really have a very nice niche with this product, and I'm very proud of what we built, what you built with your team, Shweta.
Yeah. Thank you, Bruno. Okay. So as I mentioned, this is a conference-based subscription, and it provides unlimited team access. If I have to uh, quote several salient features for this platform, few of them are it provides version control. As the conference data gets released in phases or in different waves, our team captures them, and we promise them to deliver on this platform within 24 hours. All the data gets uh, gets shown here on single page in how many waves they come in. Next salient feature is, as I mentioned, we promise to get you the data within 24 hours. Then another feature is the team collaboration. Several team members can work simultaneously on the same platform, on the same page, without losing any information, and they can see each other's whatever data they have prioritized, assigned, or added the notes in real time from each other. As you can see, this is a very structured layout with all the information arranged in columns and rows. All the fields that we get from the conference websites are arranged in columns like the day, location, time, sessions, titles, abstracts, etc., arranged in columns. In the rows, you will see the sessions and the abstracts or the presentations. The abstracts and the sessions are arranged in a mother-daughter relationship that we mentioned. The sessions are the mother rows, and within each session, you will see the presentation or the abstracts rows. So within each session, you have the presentation, you have all the presentations, then another session and all the presentations. For each presentation, under each parent session, the abstracts are arranged in the order of date and time. Then from the titles and the abstracts, we extract different entities like the products, mechanism of action, company, diseases, trials, topics and arrange them in the columns. Then at the top, we will see the notification. Whenever the data was added last on this platform, we will have it will be mentioned along with the date. So we will come to know that when the data was added on this platform, like on December 9th, we added the titles, late breaking titles, oral titles, and poster titles. What is upcoming is also mentioned over here. Like on January 5th, we are expecting the abstracts to be released. And on each day of the conference, we are expecting the late breaking abstracts will be released. So within 24 hours, these information will be updated on the platform. Now let me show you the other features which we can see in Excel also, and we have a tried to replicate here at itself. We can move the columns as the way we want. We can increase or decrease the size of the columns. We can expand the rows to see the complete data. We can click on the link to open the conference page or the conference website. Let's move on to the advanced search option. A user can build the queries by using product keywords, company keywords, mechanism of action, diseases, biomarkers. Within each entity, we have the Boolean as. Within each entity, we have the Boolean as or, and across different or between two entities, we will have the Boolean as and. I will show. Okay, so I have applied the keywords ADC and mechanism of action as a PDL1 related mechanism of action. I got one abstract. So while we are building the query, all the synonyms are automatically taken care of. All my search queries are automatically saved so that in future, when I want to rerun the same search, I can just go and rerun. Okay. Now let me use.
Some of our customers actually have tens or even hundreds of keywords. So our platform allow for that many keywords to be saved?
Yes, we can add multiple keywords as long as we want with character limit of 500. Okay, let me go to certain keywords which customers have repeatedly asked for. Like if I use the modality as ADC, I click on it, I get all the ADC related abstracts. Now this ADC will be searched across titles, abstracts, with all the synonyms like the full form, hyphens, no hyphens, everything will be taken care of automatically. I will reset my search and try to use another keyword.
And by the way, that complexity of search is one of the two reasons why it's so hard for users of the website of the conference to use that as a planner. You could say, well, I can just go to the ASCO GI site and search. There are two problems with that. Number one, that search is not built for the kind of use cases that pharmaceutical companies have. You cannot search. Most of the searches that people have that a customer want to do are not supported by directly the website of the conference. So there's a second problem, is that on the website of ASCO GI, the data arrive piecemeal, usually. There's first a title, sometimes the title arrive in several waves, then the abstract themselves. And they also come in several waves, and then late breaking abstract. And so there's several waves of data. And so essentially you would have to redo all of your searches each time. And that's why people hire us to take care of these two problems.
Yeah. So I'm trying to use the keyword in our column topic, like I'm using first in human. So I get all the abstracts which are first in human trials. Let me reset and use another keyword. I will go on advanced search, use the
And first in
prefix
human
keyword.
are selected because it says first in human somewhere in the abstract. Is that correct?
Yes, Bruno, in titles and the full text.
Okay, so there might be some that do not say first in human for some reason, but they are first in human. And these right now would not be caught by that search, correct?
Yes, Bruno.
Okay.
It is regex extracted with certain keywords added at the backend.
Yeah.
So according to that keywords, it will be pulled. Okay.
Okay. Now, one of
Now,
the service we could develop is actually go beyond that and actually ourselves identify the first in human, even if it doesn't say so in the abstract. And that could be valuable, I believe. So we'll keep that on our list of potential features.
yeah. Okay. Now I'm trying to show or demonstrate when we add a free text, like I added phase one, I click on apply, my keywords will get highlighted. So this will provide another level of convenience to the team, to the users in searching for the keywords. I see all my keywords are highlighted on the title field. Okay. Now we have other columns like priority and notes, which are team level functions. Team members can collaborate while working on this platform. They can assign the priority as high, medium, or low, and then they can filter the abstracts. Other team members can see what the team members have assigned. I can go and add the note. So all the information added by the user remains intact while the different waves of the data comes in and gets compiled on the same page. So without losing the information added by me, the new waves of data uh, keep coming in on the same platform. Now you must be wondering, what is this purple color? So if I go on show and hide column, I have two columns as last updated and created. Now created date, I can use this date filter to filter the rows to show me or to pull the abstracts that were last added on the platform. If I want to see what was added on December 11, I can see all the abstracts that were newly added on this date. If I go and select the filter, let me reset. If I have to select the filters, the abstracts that were last updated, I can see the abstracts pulled out with the purple color information that was changed from the last version.
I've got a question. When you selected that, why did you also select all?
I have only one date because there were two versions, December 9 and December 15. So December 15 abstracts
But
are,
but you also selected all, right? There's a check mark under all. Is that normal?
it is only one date. That's why, Bruno. Let me reset and show you.
So what does all means?
If I have multiple dates, I can select one or few.
Oh, I see, I see. Okay, okay. It's I understand. Yes,
If I want to unselect anything, then all will go automatically off.
I understand. I got it. Yeah, yes.
Okay, so purple color shows the new information. This is the tabular view. Now we have the session view where the abstracts can be seen, or the presentations can be seen arranged in session wise. I can see all the sessions. If I expand on any session, I can see all the presentations within that session. Now, both the views, that is the tabular view and the session view, are very much in sync with each other. If I favorite or add any information on this page, it will be seen on the other page as well. So the user will not lose any information as such. Yeah. So whatever sessions I favorited on this page, I can see them favorited here as well.
Okay.
So the star icon is the favorite icon. If I want to select or bookmark any of my favorite sessions or presentations, I can bookmark them.
Yeah.
I can easily filter them as well.
Uh, and we'll arrive to the end of the time we have here. Any final points in closing from you, Shweta? And then I encourage our viewers, if you're interested, if you plan to attend ASCO GI, or after that there's going to be ASCO, ASCO GI, ASCO GU, and then AACR, and many other conferences. The big ASCO, of course, the big one in June. To reach out to us, to leave a comment or send us a message, and we could give you a full demo or give you even credential to test pilot this great application. So before we close, should there any final words from you?
Sure, Bruno. So on January 5th, we are expecting the abstracts to be released. So we are just looking forward to our customers using this platform and making full use of it.
Shweta, thank you very, very much. And to everybody, happy holidays, Merry Christmas, and we'll see you next year.
Thank you, everyone.